how to convert Facebook account to business page. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you convert your Facebook account to business page. So if you are willing to switch your Facebook account to business page, so this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. So on this process, first you'll have to open the Facebook app with your logged in account. So simply open the Facebook. And now from here, you will have to go with the option profile. So it will appear on the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on your profile section. And now from here, you will have to go with the option three dots. So it will add the beside of edit profile. So simply tap on these three lines. And now from here, you will go to options like turn on professional mode. So it will appear on the second last option. So you have to go with the options turn on professional mode. Alright, so now from here, you will have to go with the options turn on. And simply you have to follow accordingly that Facebook says. So simply follow the procedure. Next, click again next, confirm. Okay, I will skip. Alright, so now we are done. So now we have successfully converted our Facebook account to the business page. So this is the easiest and simplest method to convert your Facebook account to your business page. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video.